Hey guys, just a quick little shot of this cool rental car we've got. Gonna be taking it on a road trip. It's a 2016 Dodge Dart, and you know me and lights, I love LEDs, and this has LEDs that go around, you know, the taillights go across the whole back in a strip. When you unlock it, you can see them flash. Solid on, solid off. It looks really cool. And the headlights kick on when you do it. And I just stepped on something belligerently slimy under this nasty carport. Gee, damn it. Alright, let me show you the tail lights. Oh, if I can reach them. There we go. Look at how cool that is. A neat little LED strip that goes across the back. I love that. Also, when you're driving, even with the headlights off, it's got the parking lights lit up in the front. The bright old ambers in the middle. They look pretty cool. It even says Dodge right there. How awesome is that? I'll do a little startup, and that'll be it for this video. Maybe when there's some more daylight, I'll show you guys more. Does the thing where you just turn the key and it cranks itself. Like that. Very snarly. So cool.